guys. um you guys, I have a package and I'm trying to do an unboxing video, but right as soon as I came in here with the package, he was like, goodies. He's looking for his goodies. But yeah, you guys, I have a look at all this hair right here. I have a haul to share with y'all. It's another haul from, let me close this window because I feel like people are gonna be listening to me. You see his ear right there? I have another haul from shopmissa to share with y'all. Just got this in the mail today. What is that? Anyways, yeah, let's open it up. Open it up. Open it up. I'm sorry, Teddy. This is not your. Dang. This is not your goodies. But here's the bag. And here's my goodies. I didn't get that many things, but it's gonna be somewhat of a fun video. I like to do unboxing videos, like first impression type of thing. So yeah, that's why I do these to get my reaction on camera, so it's real, you know. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 things. The first thing, okay, this is the exfoliating bath cloth. I just want to see how this feels. He just took my package, you guys. He took my package. What the heck? Okay. This is the exfoliating bath cloth. I just want to see how it feels. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna get that dead skin. Are you gonna bite me, Teddy? This is definitely gonna get that dead skin off. This is like, I guess if you ever seen like the African sponge, this is something like that, kind of. Yeah, it's something like that. I'm super excited to try this. Make sure I get all that dead skin off, feel nice and soft and smooth. Okay, the next thing I have here is this headband, head wrap type of thing. Is this the brand? Princess Accessories. Excuse me. Excuse me. Now there's a big old butt in the frame. Teddy, come on. Just scoot up just a little bit. Okay. Well, his tail is probably gonna come in and out of frame. But oh my gosh, what is this on your tail? Hopefully, okay. Headband, Princess Accessories is the brand. Let's check this out. Let me see. The material feels really nice. I really like this. I really, I'm gonna have to take him down. I really like this, you guys. This is so pretty. Yes. So that's that. You guys, I'm feeling a little bit stuffy today because of allergies and stuff, and I was just at the park yesterday. So these allergies are trying to kick my behind. But we strong over here, y'all. We strong over here. Oh gosh. Thanks to the Lord. Thanks to God, we're strong over here, y'all. But yes. Okay. Oh, I didn't know this was that big. This is the Nature's Spirit Luxury Hand Cream. Crema para manos. Made with 100% natural pomegranate oil. I really want to smell this. Let me see. Oh, that smells really good. What the heck? There's still... I didn't even get the whole thing off. Well, that's unfortunate. I'm probably going to have to poke a hole right there. You guys, I'm not trying to make this video more than what it has to be, like longer than what it has to be. So I'm trying to make this fast, but I can smell it through here, so... Yeah, that smells really good. I kind of do want to see if it moisturizes. I can always just do a review. I keep having to take the fur from over here. Okay, the last two items I have here is a lip glow kissing fruit gloss, the rollerball one, and the scent, it's in the scent pineapple. And I have another one of these fruity pop, the watermelon ones. I want to smell this one, the pineapple one. Ooh, am I like not doing this right? Okay, it smells really good. If you guys are having trouble with the rollerball, I think you have to angle it a little. That's what I do, and a lot normally comes out. That smells good. Yeah, that smells good. Just like pineapples. This is probably gonna be my favorite one. And I have this one, the fruity pop. The fruity pop one. Watermelon. Let's see. Little sniffy sniff. That's good stuff. It smells like natural watermelon. Oh, I think I'm gonna collect all of these. The only ones I don't have now is the cherry and the peach one. So I'm definitely gonna get those. I really like this. I just seen a bird fly past my window. It looked like he had a piece of bread in his mouth. He ain't good, or she. Okay, yeah. Definitely happy with my purchase today. They didn't puff up my bag. It didn't puff up my bag. Last time, remember I had like the puffy bag because it had air in it? Oh well. But yes, these are the things that I got. Only 5 things. Pretty happy with my purchase overall. But yeah, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.